Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into one of the most anticipated camera flagships of the year, the brand new Huawei Pura 80 Ultra. And let me tell you, this thing isn't just a phone, it's a mobile photography monster. The headline feature? A 50 megapixels ultra lighting pop-out camera. Yes, pop-out. Huawei has taken a bold step with a mechanical, retractable main sensor designed to mimic DSLR-level depth and focus. It's paired with an ultra-wide 40 megapixel cine lens and a 48 megapixels periscope telephoto with up to 200x digital zoom and 3.5x optical zoom. It also supports Huawei's XD Fusion Pro engine for unmatched detail and dynamic range, even in night shots. On the front, we're looking at a gorgeous 6.8-inch full-view LTPO OLED display, with 1.5K resolution, 120Hz refresh rate, and up to 2500 nits peak brightness. It curves elegantly at the sides but stays usable, no accidental touches here. And the bezels? Almost gone. Under the hood, Huawei's packing their new Kirin 9010 processor, 5nm, with enhanced AI acceleration and better thermal control. Paired with 16 GB of RAM and up to 1TB storage, this phone isn't just a camera beast, it's a powerhouse. You get a 5200 mAh battery with 100W wired and 80W wireless supercharge. And yes, it also supports reverse wireless charging for your earbuds and wearables. The Pura 80 Ultra runs on Harmony OS 4.2, with deep integration of on-device AI, privacy controls, and advanced photo editing right inside the Gallery app. The Huawei Pura 80 Ultra starts at around $1,399 USD, international pricing may vary, and is available now in China, with global markets coming soon. Color options include black, white, leather gold, and the new dynamic purple finish. So is the Pura 80 Ultra the best camera phone of 2025? On paper, absolutely. That pop-out lens, XD Fusion Pro, and stunning design put it right at the top. Now the only question is, will global users buy into the Huawei ecosystem without Google? If you're impressed, hit that like button. Subscribe for our full camera test, and drop a comment. Would you pick this over the Galaxy S26 Ultra or iPhone 17 Pro Max?